The Polaris factory racing team recently completed a decisive victory in the UTV class of the 2025 Dakar Rally. On their way to a historic run, their chariot, a second-generation RZR Pro R factory, had to withstand hour after hour of exhausting desert racing, especially for Brock Heger and partner Max Eddy Jr., who won their class by an incredible 2 hours straight. However, civilians can now purchase that exact racer. Nevertheless, the likelihood of coming across one of the 31st production models of the 2025 RZR Pro are factory racers that will ever be produced. Future model years will be available only by request, and they could not reappear at all. Right now, it's truly amazing what Polaris was able to fit behind the exterior of this authentic factory race car. Despite sharing many mechanical similarities with the civilian RZR Pro R, the Pro R factory takes the same base and reduces it to its most basic components. In terms of comfort and equipment, standard RZRs are among the best in their class. Although its race-bred cousin has a suite of racing-derived hardware that Brock Heger himself would feel perfectly at home behind the wheel of, it does not have the luxury Rockford Fosgate sound system or the civilian-grade Ride Command infotainment system. The naked weave of the carbon fiber body panels that highlight this minimalist yet functional inside space is exposed, along with any creature amenities beyond the minimum necessities to finish a race. A clever MOTC data storage system that is integrated into the cockpit gives you access to real-time vehicle health and performance data about your rig. It is kept in memory so that when your run is over, your race crew can review it. Before you even know the whole story, it's broken down into a second-by-second analysis of what's happening underneath the vehicle's skin, just like real race data.